diving deep into the world of Forex trading, but hold on, before you click away thinking this is just another finance bro video, trust me on this. We're talking about how to navigate the fast-paced world of currency exchange while staying true to Islamic values. That's right, we're gonna break down how to make those pips and stay halal because let's be real, navigating the financial markets can feel like walking a tightrope sometimes. But fear not, my financially conscious friends, because we've got your back. Over the next few minutes, we'll unpack the do's and don'ts of Islamic finance, explore key principles like avoiding riba, interest, and gharar, excessive uncertainty, and show you how to align your trading strategies with the ethical guidelines of Shariah. So buckle up, grab your prayer beads, and get ready to learn how to trade Forex the Islamic way. Welcome to our guide on aligning your Forex trading with Islamic values. Today we'll explore how you can ensure your trading practices comply with the principles of Shariah. First things first, let's talk about riba. Now, riba, or interest, is a major no-go in Islam. It's like trying to sneak hot Cheetos into a mosque. Not cool, my friend, not cool. See, Islam teaches us that money itself shouldn't be a source of profit. It's a tool, a means to an end, not the end goal itself. So how do we avoid riba in the Forex market? Enter swap-free accounts. Think of these accounts as your halal haven in the Forex world. They're designed specifically for traders who want to avoid paying or receiving interest on overnight positions. But it doesn't stop there. We also have Islamic contracts like murabaha and mudaraba. These contracts are structured in a way that aligns with Shariah principles, promoting profit sharing and risk-taking based on actual trade and investment. So, remember, in the world of Islamic finance, we're all about ethical and fair transactions. We're not here to exploit or be exploited. We're here to build a just and equitable financial system. Alright, folks, next up we're tackling gharar. Now, gharar basically translates to excessive uncertainty or ambiguity in transactions, and trust me, you don't want any part of that. It's like buying a used car from a guy in a back alley. You have no idea what you're getting yourself into. See, Islam emphasizes transparency and clarity in all financial dealings. So how do we steer clear of gharar in Forex? It's all about making informed decisions. Instead of diving headfirst into trades you don't fully understand, focus on educating yourself. Do your research, analyze the markets, and only trade when you have a clear understanding of the risks involved. And hey, remember those stop-loss and take-profit orders we talked about earlier? They're not just fancy trading tools, they're your secret weapons against gharar. By setting clear limits on your potential losses and gains, you're taking control and minimizing uncertainty. So remember, when it comes to Forex trading, knowledge is power. Don't let greed or fear cloud your judgment. Trade smart, trade ethically, and trade with confidence. Okay folks, let's talk about haram commodities. Now, in Islam we have clear guidelines about what's considered halal, permissible, and haram, forbidden. And guess what? This applies to our trading activities too. You see, we can't just go around trading anything and everything. We need to be mindful of the underlying assets and industries our trades are linked to. Forex may seem a bit removed from things like alcohol or gambling, but trust me, those connections can be lurking in the shadows. So how do we make sure our trades are halal? It starts with doing our due diligence. Before hitting that buy or sell button, take a moment to understand what you're actually investing in. Avoid CFDs or derivatives linked to haram products like pork, alcohol, or weapons. Instead, focus on currencies or assets tied to halal industries like healthcare, technology, or renewable energy. Remember, our goal is to ensure that every dollar we earn is earned ethically and responsibly. We're not just chasing profits, we're building a sustainable and ethical financial future. Alright folks, let's talk about ethics. Now, I know what you're thinking, ethics. In the cutthroat world of Forex, you're kidding, right? But here's the thing. Islam places a huge emphasis on honesty, fairness, and transparency in all aspects of life, and that includes our financial dealings. We can't just throw our morals out the window when we step into the trading ring. We need to hold ourselves to a higher standard. So, what does ethical Forex trading look like? For starters, it means being upfront and honest about our intentions and strategies. No shady tactics, no manipulating the market, and definitely no insider trading. We're playing by the rules, folks, and those rules include acting with integrity. It also means choosing our trading partners wisely. Look for reputable brokers who share our commitment to ethical practices. And when it comes to profits, let's be fair and just. share the wealth responsibly, pay our zakat, and remember that our financial success should benefit not just ourselves, but our community as a whole. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, speculation and gambling, or as we call it in Islam, Mazir. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the Forex market can feel like a giant casino sometimes, with people throwing money around hoping to strike it rich. But that's not what we're about, right? See, Islam teaches us to approach our finances with wisdom and prudence, not recklessness. We're not here to gamble with our hard-earned money, we're here to grow it responsibly. So how do we avoid the pitfalls of speculation? It's all about relying on knowledge and analysis, not luck. Instead of chasing after get-rich-quick schemes, focus on developing a solid understanding of market trends and economic fundamentals. Use technical analysis, fundamental analysis, whatever tools you need to make informed trading decisions. Remember, we're not here to play the lottery. We're here to build long-term wealth through strategic and responsible trading. Alright folks, let's talk about something near and dear to our hearts, giving back. Now, in Islam, we believe that wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about using it for good. And two key pillars of Islamic finance are Zakat and Sadaqah. Zakat is an obligatory form of charity, a way for us to purify our wealth and share our blessings with those in need. It's like a spiritual tax, reminding us that everything we have is a gift from Allah. Sadaqah, on the other hand, is voluntary charity, a way for us to go above and beyond and make a difference in the world. It's like that extra credit assignment that boosts your grade and fills your heart with joy. So how do Zakat and Sadaqah play out in the Forex market? Well, it's simple. When we make profits from our trades, we have a responsibility to share a portion of those earnings with those less fortunate. Chapter 7. Check your intentions. It's not just about the Benjamins. Let's talk about intentions. You see, in Islam, our actions are judged by our intentions. It's not enough to just do the right thing. We have to do it for the right reasons. And guess what? This applies to our trading activities too. Our intentions shape our actions, and our actions have consequences. So, before we even think about placing a trade, we need to ask ourselves, why am I doing this? What's my motivation? Are we trading to improve our livelihood, provide for our families, or contribute to our communities? Or are we driven by greed, envy, or the desire to get rich quick? Our intentions matter, folks. They shape our trading decisions, influence our risk tolerance, and ultimately determine the impact of our financial activities. So, let's make sure our intentions are as pure as our profits. Chapter 8. Knowledge is power. Level up your trading game. Alright folks, let's talk about knowledge. You see, in Islam, we're encouraged to seek knowledge throughout our lives. Why? Because knowledge is power. It empowers us to make informed decisions, navigate challenges, and live fulfilling lives. And guess what? The same applies to Forex trading. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart trades, manage risks, and achieve your financial goals. So how do we go about gaining this knowledge? Well, it starts with education. Read books, attend webinars, follow reputable traders, and immerse yourself in the world of finance. But it doesn't stop there. We also need to understand the principles of Islamic finance, so we can evaluate the permissibility of our trading activities. Remember, knowledge is our shield and our sword in the financial markets. Chapter 9. Trusting in Allah, the ultimate risk manager. Okay folks, let's wrap things up with a fundamental principle in Islam, tawakkul, or trusting in Allah. Now I know what you're thinking. What does trust have to do with Forex trading? Well, let me tell you, it has everything to do with it. You see, as Muslims, we believe that Allah is the best of planners. We can analyze the markets, develop strategies, and make informed decisions, but ultimately the outcome is in His hands. Tawakkul means letting go of the need to control everything, accepting that there are factors beyond our control, and having faith that Allah will guide us to what's best for us. So, how do we practice tawakkul in the Forex market? It's about finding that balance between effort and surrender. We put in the work, we do our due diligence, we make calculated decisions, and then we leave the rest to Allah. So, there you have it folks, a crash course on aligning your Forex trading with Islamic values. We've covered a lot of ground today, from avoiding riba and gharar to understanding halal and haram commodities. Remember, trading Forex the Islamic way isn't just about following a set of rules. It's about embodying the values of fairness, transparency, and social responsibility. It's about using our wealth as a tool to make a positive impact on the world. So, go forth, my financially conscious friends, and trade with confidence, trade with conscience, and may your trading journey be both profitable and pleasing to Allah. By following these principles, you can align your Forex trading with Islamic values, ensuring that your financial activities are both ethical and compliant with Shariah. Thank you for watching, and may your trading journey be successful and blessed. Until next time, peace.